This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Ashley Link. Welcome to the Sunny Side Cottage in sought-after Meadowbrook. This charming home offers a well-designed layout maximizing every inch of space. Recent upgrades include brand new LVP flooring, a newer HVAC system 2021, moisture barrier installed in 2022, and a tankless gas water heater 2023. Enjoy a stunning stucco exterior and a wraparound deck from the entrance to the backyard. Inside, discover a spacious living room, comfortable bedrooms, and a stylish kitchen with updated cabinetry. The expansive backyard is ideal for gardening and relaxation, featuring a large storage shed. This move-in ready home is conveniently located near NAVSTA Norfolk, schools, entertainment, and interstates. August 30, 2024. For more information, review the details below.